Ever get hiccups at the worst time? Like right before a meeting or a date? Here's the simplest trick that actually works. No sugar, no breath holding. Take a sip of water, place the glass on the table beside you, and bend forward, keeping the water in your mouth. Reach in and swallow slowly, while staying fully bent at 90 degrees. It resets your diaphragm instantly. The hiccups? Gone, like magic. Try it right now and save this video because next time hiccups hit, you'll know exactly what to do.